ये न थी हमारी किस्मत कि विसाल यार होता, अगर और जीते रहते यही इंतजार होता।
It was not written fate's caprice that I should clasp thee, dear. Had I but lived a moment more, 'twere still this weight austere. The hope of union ever nigh, yet ever kept afar. Each breath would birth a longing sigh beneath a dying star.
तेरे वादे पर जिए हम तो ये जान झूठ जाना कि खुशी से मर न जाते अगर एतबार होता।
If on thy vow I breathed and lived, then lie I must have known. For bliss had killed me, swift and sure had faith in thee been shown. A single trust, a sacred pledge, had I believed thee true, joy's dagger to my throbbing breast would leap and cleave it through.
तेरी नाजुकी से जाना कि बंधा था अहद बूदा, कभी तू न तोड़ सकता अगर उस्तवार होता।
From thy soft frame I gauged it clear. The bond was finely spun, so frail it broke with but a breeze before its term was run. Had it been forged in firmer steel, with earnest soul aligned, no storm of pride, no whim of thine, its thread could e'er unwind.
कोई मेरे दिल से पूछे तेरे तीर नीम कश को, ये खलिश कहाँ से होती जो जिगर के पार होता।
Ask of my heart the tale it bears, thy shaft still half unloosed, this ache that haunts my every pulse, this pain not yet reduced. Had thy cruel dart passed cleanly through and pierced my inner flame, no ghost of hurt, no sting would stay, just death without a name.
ये कहाँ की दोस्ती है कि बनी है दोस्त नासिह, कोई चारासाज होता, कोई गम गुसार होता।
What friendship strange is this, alas, where friend doth preach and scold, not one to soothe my bleeding brow, nor warm me from the cold. If there had been a salve bestower, one to mourn my woe, perchance this thorn of sorrow's weight had softened in its blow.
रगे संग से टपकता वो लहू कि फिर न थमता, जिसे गम समझ रहे हो ये अगर शरार होता।
From veins of stone would blood have poured, a flood that would not cease, if what you name as sorrow's shade had been but spark of peace. You call it grief, but had it been a flame's mere playful art, this crimson tide would not have flowed from such a battered heart.
गम अगरचे जां गुसिल है, पर कहाँ बचे कि दिल है। गम इश्क गर न होता, गम रोजगार होता।
Though grief doth tear the soul in twain, yet how can one be free? The heart once born must throb and break, such is its destiny. If not the woes of love had scorched the marrow of my breast, then life's cruel toil, the daily grind, would rob me of my rest.
कहूँ किससे मैं कि क्या है, शब-ए गम बुरी बला है। मुझे क्या बुरा था मरना, अगर एक बार होता।
To whom may I declare the curse that is the night of pain? Death I had not feared at all, if it had struck but once and slain. But this death with waking eyes, this torment without cease, each breath a blade, each hour a wound that offers no release.
हुए मर के हम जो रुस्वा, हुए क्यों न गर्क़े दरिया। न कभी जनाजा उठता, न कहीं मज़ार होता।
When death did make me infamous, why sank I not in sea? No bier to bear, no stone to mark, thus none would grieve for me. No funeral chant, no tomb to name the soul whom fate did mar. A nameless drop in ocean's womb, no trace of who we are.
उसे कौन देख सकता कि यगाना है वो यकता। जो दुई की बू भी होती तो कहीं दो चार होता।
Who dares to look upon his face? He stands alone sublime. Had there been scent of dual self, we'd count him midst our time. But none like him the cosmos knows, no mirror bears his form, he walks beyond the reach of twain, untouched by earthly norm.
ये मसाइल तसव्वुफ, ये तेरा बयान गालिब। तुझे हम वली समझते जो न बाद ख्वार होता।
These mystic themes, these sacred tongues thy musings oft ignite, O Ghalib, we'd have called thee saint, had wine not been thy plight. Thy verses, robed in Sufi silk, breathe truths both old and grand. But lo, thy goblet tips the scale, and saints no flask may stand.